Hello everyone, welcome to iGENHut Easy English session. Today we are going to see a phrase, raining cats and dogs. What does it mean? It means too much heavy rain, torrential rain, very heavily raining. Okay, let's see the examples. When we were returning from the picnic, it was raining cats and dogs. Another example, I think it's not safe to drive the car now, it's raining cats and dogs. See, this phrase can be right in the sense that the heavy rain is much noisy. A cat and dog are great enemies, and once they meet, it's a havoc. Big fight that involves big noises similar to wind and the torrential rain people traditionally refer to. The phrase is never used to comment on casual rain. It's always the loud, crazy noise of the rain, like cats and dogs fighting. Moreover, this phrase is a metaphor, as the rain falling on the roof is compared to the cats and dogs fighting. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching iGENHut. If you like the video, kindly subscribe our channel, share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.